What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how can you disallow a user to edit your plugin file or theme file or any other file. So let's start. As you can see, there is an edit plugin option. By this option you can edit your plugin files as well as you can edit your theme file. You can edit your functions.php file. Anyone can access this file, but one code can pretend any of these editings. First of all, you have to open your config file, wp-config file in your root. You just have to define a new function like that. Just set it true. Disallow file edit. Just refresh the page and you can see there is no option for the editing of themes, and as well there is no option for the plugins. No one can edit your plugin and theme file, except there is a way you can add a plugin of file manager. By this plugin you can add your own code, but for this I have a new code. Just copy paste this code. Just refresh the page and now you can see you cannot add a new plugin as well as you cannot add your new theme. Just you can deactivate or activate your plugin or theme. In the WordPress, like admin, super admin, subscriber, no one can edit your plugin files or your theme. You can add a code in config from cpanel, or you can use ftp, and no one can access this after adding this code in your config file. So guys, if you find my video useful, don't forget like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.